Hello travelers, my name is Marco and I'm the travel blogger behind the Pinay Traveler, and today it's actually my first time na mag-vlog. So it's a vlog. So actually nagsusulat ako pero ngayon I will try my best na mag-vlog. So hopefully kahit once a week makapag-produce ako ng video, especially dun sa mga upcoming travel adventures ko, and also for review sa mga travel essentials na mga gamit natin sa paglalakbay. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox one of the latest smartphones available in the market. It's an Android phone. Yes, it's an Android phone, and I heard na this phone is perfect for gaming and for traveling. So alam niyo naman na mahilig ako mag-travel, and I have actually two SLRs, but most of the time I use my smartphone in taking videos and pictures. Kasi mas handy siya, and at the same time, you can post easily your pictures and videos directly to your social media accounts like your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So compare with SLR, you need to transfer using the Wi-Fi or from SD card, from laptop to compute, from laptop or computer, and then to your phone. But unlike using your phone, mabilis yung pag-transfer ng files directly to your social media accounts. And then for gaming, good news sa mga kaibigan kong mahilig maglaro ng mga apps, gaming apps, especially sa Mobile Legends na very uh, famous not only in the Philippines but around the world. Personally, hindi ako naglaro ng Mobile Legends kasi wala na talaga akong time para maglaro ng gaming game sa phone. Kasi instead na maglaro ako ng game, I will try to edit pictures, edit my blog, and then also for work. So, wala na akong time. Pero since mag-review tayo ng phone, I will download that application on that phone, and then we'll try to play Mobile Legends for you. So, hopefully, magustuhan ko siya. So, siguro naman magustuhan ko kasi ang dami na naglaro nun. So, let's start the unboxing of this phone. So, it's called the Xiaomi 90 Pro. Yan. So, it's a Xiaomi 90 Pro. Alright, so actually tinanggal ko na yung plastic niya kasi kanina nahirapan akong tanggalin. So, ngayon tinanggal ko na siya para mas mabilis i-unbox. So, it's a carbon block with 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. So, mataas yung memory niya in fairness. So, let's start the unboxing. Okay, so first is the block box. So, what's inside the block box is actually a SIM ejector tool. So, this is very useful, especially kung magtatanggal or mag-i-insert tayo ng SIM card. So, pero alternative naman, pag nawala ito, pwede mo naman gamitin paperclip. Pero very useful to. Huwag ingatan nyo to kasi minsan mahirap gamitin ng paperclip and baka madamage lang yung phone nyo. Then, we have the manual. Yeah. For some, they still use manual for the traditional way. But for me, I search online for the instruction. Very useful talaga sa Google. But definitely, this is also useful, the manual. We also have a case. Good news talaga, good news. May case si Xiaomi to protect our phone, especially for scratches and damages. Good phone ng mga brands ngayon na halos lahat meron ng case. Para hindi na tayo mahirapang maghanap ng case. So it's free na for Xiaomi 90 Pro. Second is the handset, the device. So this is the device. And then we have the USB cord. This is a white USB cord. It's actually a Type-C cord. And then we have the power adapter. Ayan. So, ito yung makikita nyo sa loob ng box. So, we have the handset, the device, the power adapter, the Type-C USB cord, the case, the manual, and then the SIM ejector. So, let's start discuss or check the device. So actually, yung cover ng device, makikita mo na agad yung SAM specs ng phone. So first, the processor is actually a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 with high efficiency graphite stack cooling system. So may cooling system na siya. So since perfect for gaming, alam niyo naman na pag nag-overheating yung phone, minsan naglalag yung phone natin or nag-freeze and nagkaka-bad trip talaga pag during game biglang mag-hang or mag refresh yung phone natin. So good thing meron siyang cooling system para ma-avoid yung overheating ng phone. Second is the battery. So since kailangan natin maglaro ng matagal, it has a 4,000 mAh. So fairness, matagal yung battery niya. And then the screen, it's actually 6.39 AMOLED display, fast in-screen fingerprint sensor. So, mabilis siya when it comes to navigating application like the screen. And I heard that it's a Corning Gorilla Glass 5. So, matibay talaga yung screen niya. Mahirapan kang ma-scratches yung screen. And then, for the camera, ayan naman, alam ko naman yan ang hinihintay niyo for camera. Kahit man ako, usually yun din yung tinitingnan ko. Aside from the price, tinitingnan ko yung camera niya. So, tatlo yung cameras niya. Ayan. So, actually, it's 48:8:13. So, 48 megapixel, grabe. Grabe yung resolution niya. And then, for the front camera, so, nasa taas siya. It's 20 megapixel. Dati, ang back camera is just like 16 megapixel. Pero ngayon, front camera niya, it's 20 megapixel. Grabe. Perfect for selfie. And then for the buttons, same pa rin naman siya. Yung volume and yung upper and lower volume key is nasa side. Pati yung power button. Sa taas is yung for headset. And then sa baba is the speaker and the charging port. So, actually, wala nga pala siyang headset. So, ewan ko bakit walang headset. Pero, para at least, mas mura yata pag walang headset. Ayun, actually, yun yung specs ng phone. But in my future vlogs and as well on my website, I will post the full details about this phone, especially yung specs niya, kung ano yung mga specs niya. And also yung camera niya, very, very important for us yung mga traveler dyan na gustong maghanap ng alternative device instead of buying expensive SLR or like mirrorless camera. At least itong phone na to, kung perfect na siya for traveling. So, kasi 48 megapixel. So, siguro maganda na yung camera niya. So, anyway, please subscribe on my channel and also follow my Facebook page as well as my Instagram account. That's at the Pinoy Traveler. I'll definitely show all the details about this phone and also my future travel adventure and review sa iba't ibang travel essentials na pwede natin gamitin sa ating paglalakbay. So anyway, salamat po sa pagpatuloy pagsuporta ng aking vlog and hopefully masuportahan niyo rin po yung pagbablog ko or sa